Hello everybody, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. And in today's video we are gonna stick with Success Kit because it looks like we've actually wicked into this trade. Well, not wicked in, basically I was waiting for us to come back down to this level. I've entered the second week, even touched this level right here, which means now we've got quite a few trades on, so we're gonna see some pretty significant gains coming up for Success Kit in the near future, because once we do get back up to the last all-time highs,
yeah, see, I reckon
that we are going to be in the significant gains. But in this video I'm going to show you how much do I reckon that I will get once we do get back up to the last all-time highs, just by dollar costing my way in. And for this video guys, I'm going to show you exactly where would be perfect area to enter for another trade. If you haven't traded yet guys, this is the video for you. If you'd like to find out what's going on with Success Kit, this is also a video for you, especially for all you S-Kit maxis. Without further ado guys, why don't we strap onto our boots, put on your rocket helmets, and let's get into the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So why don't we quickly jump right on in to Success Kit. Okay, the market cap is at 225 million. We are up on a day 6.58% for the past 24 hours, and the price is at 0.02520. So let's take a closer look at the chart. Alrighty then, it looks like we are in on our perhaps the last trade for Success Kit. Depending if we go much further down here, then I'll certainly be looking to add a lot more in my bag, but it looks like we're not gonna be heading all the way back down to this level. So that means I reckon guys, as long as we do head our way back up to the last all-time highs, potentially I should be expecting quite easily, well, where's it potentially, it is more than likely that we will be heading back up to the last all-time high. It's just a question of when. This trade here will give me 985%. This trade here will give me 841 plus 993 plus 884 plus 1122 plus 998% move to the upside. That means altogether guys, that's going to be 5,823% move to the upside just between these 6 trades right over here. I reckon guys that I have maxed out my trade for Success Kit. Anything more than this, then it is pretty much OCD. Yeah, you can call it being a complete maximalist, fetish, whatever you want, but at the end of the day guys, I think this is more than enough for me, because we obviously reckon we're going to see a much more bigger price coming in for Success Kit during the bull season. How much more high do we reckon we can go? If you look right at the top of this candle wick, it shows we went as high up as 26 cents. Guys, I reckon we'll certainly go a lot more higher, because if we take a look at the market cap, it's only 2.25 million. We can certainly see more than 10x from this market cap, which means we should be expecting 22.5 million for Success Kit to reach in order for us to see that 10x. However, because of the circulating supply being remarkably low for a meme, this is a recipe for a winning ticket, because I reckon that once a bull season really kicks in, guys, don't be surprised if we do see a 1000x, because 10x away from here, the market cap will need to reach 22.5 million. 100x, the market cap will then need to reach 225 million, and then 1000x, we can see the market cap could go up to 2.25 billion, and that is certainly doable for memes, because we've already have Shiba Inu that's way surpassed 2.25 billion, as well as Dogecoin, Pepe, Brett, and quite a few of other memes. So I would not be surprised if we see Success Kit to reach up to 1000x from here, as well as having a strong social presence right over here. So why don't we go check out on their websites and see what else is going on behind the scenes from Success Kit. All right, let's have a look. All right, guys, now we are on their page. Let's see if they got any further updates and information. We will also go check out on their Twitter X accounts and see how active they are, find out how much their community has grown. All in all, guys, their website looks user friendly. Okay, guys, so this is the most important part that I was looking for. That Success Kid has been listed on Biconomy. I think I remembered Success Kid being listed on Bitmart too, so that's pretty cool. So basically, yep, it looks like Nominex is in fact an exchange. However, we still need to see a very big exchanges coming in for Success Kid, and as soon as we do, then guys, we will see a lift off in the price, and we should be continuing our way to the upside, which will be fantastic because not many newbies will feel comfortable navigating their way through decentralized exchanges, which means we must see Success Kid listed on multiple of other exchanges. Let's take a look at their feature and partners. It looks like they have partnered up with Meme Coin Season, which is pretty cool. Honeyland, that's another. It looks like they've got a few more partnership coming up. So this will be pretty good, guys, for the project, that is for sure. All we've got to do now is to go and check out their Twitter X, and let's find out how active they are and how many followers do they have on their Twitter X account. Okay, guys, so as we can see, we've only got 6,600 and 7,000 followers, which is quite low. Let's see how active they've been. Okay, that's August 24th post. Not gonna lie, this looks pretty cute actually. Okay, so that's 12 hours ago. So they are somewhat, okay, they are pretty active actually. Alright guys, so they are pretty active on their socials, but I am a little bit disappointed in terms of the amount of followers right over here. But we will do one more thing, and that is, let's copy the contract address and let's find out via the Telegram bot how many people are in fact holding Success Kid token. So let's have a look. That's 8,541 people holding their token, which to be fair is not too bad, but I still reckon, guys, their tokenomics we cannot ignore, and we should be able to see some massive gains coming in for the near future for Success Kid. I'm super mega bullish, otherwise I wouldn't have so many trades open there. But anyway, why don't we get into the technical analysis and where you should enter if you're looking to get into Success Kid. But guys, remember, none of this is financial advice, just showing you exactly what I'm doing, and I've been doing this since about 5-6 years now. So I've been through a couple of the bull season, so I've seen the good side and the crazy and the super ugly side at the back of a bull season, which is why I created this channel, so I can show you my journey when it comes down to cryptocurrency. But most importantly, you can also follow it if you'd like to do so, but remember, please do your own research. Make sure you only trade what you can afford to lose and use, such as the Soul Scanner, because that way, guys, as soon as you copy the contract just over here, just make sure the mint authority is off, freeze authority off, and the liquidity pool has been burned completely. And the next important checks, check out how many holders there are, and most importantly, check out the top 10 holders. If they hold more than 25, 30, 40% of the total supply, then guys, please turn away or trade carefully, because they can literally manipulate the price. So let's get quickly into the technical analysis and then we get out of here. That'd be a good time to get into a trade right now, because I can see that from the current move that we should be continuing away to the upside. We may bounce around here for a little while, but ultimately we will come back up to this level right up here. So if you pull out the measuring tool and we'll measure from here all the way up to there, what's that? That is 37% move to the upside. It is only a small percentage move to the upside, but most importantly, guys, you don't really care about that small move to the upside, because we want to see a healthy break above this line of resistance right up here. And as soon as we do want to see a bigger push to the upside, then we just got to wait to see a further pullback lock. So to retest this resistance line now turn support, well, future wise turning support for continuation to the upside. So right now, guys, it will be a really important time to enter, because as soon as you enter here and we start continuing our way to the upside, then you pretty much missed the ride to enter at the lower low. So catch here whilst you can before we continue our way to the upside. Anyway, guys, that'll be it for the video. If you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, guys, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, scroll down, check out my last few videos, and I will see you all in the next one.